Today we have a cool police car. Now let's turn it into a monster truck. Let's pump the tires. This is so cool.
Blippi boy and Blippi girl, are you guys ready for a story?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, this two amazing monster truck. Mama's gonna tell you guys an amazing story, okay? And that's Joshua. Do you know the story? What do you think the story's about?
I know the story. The police is catching this, and he went into a mud, and the car can't go. So he went to shop and go and make big tire monster truck, and then he got hit that, Mom.
Oh. How about you, Faith? What do you think the story's all about?
He tried to catch, and then he can't go. So he go to the store, and he went away, and then he had a big tire.
Oh, that's a very nice truncated way to say it. All right, so you listened. You did do it quickly, Pumpkin. That's awesome. You did an amazing job, both of you. But let Mommy tell Mommy's story, okay? So that day, this bad boy monster truck here was driving and ran so many red lights. So the policeman was chasing after him, and he was way behind because it was just a regular police car. And as he went, the monster truck went through the mud just so that it can stop who? The policeman from coming, because it knows that only its massive monster truck tires can make it through the mud. So the poor police car over here got stuck. Aww. It couldn't make it through. So guess what? The policeman had an ingenious idea. He went into a shop and he came out looking like this. This is an old-fashioned Metro police car. Isn't that cool, guys?
Can it go into the mud?
Let's find out. Let's see if it can catch it. The bad car realized that the police truck has monster truck. Now it's going faster because it knows it can catch it. Bad car, I caught you. I'm taking you back to the and I'm putting you in where, guys? Yeah.
Until he says sorry.
Until he says sorry. I'm so sorry, Mr. Police. I will never run a red light again. Can you please just give me one chance? What do you think, Blippi boy and Blippi girl? Should we give this car one chance?
Yay!
He did say sorry, right? You always say sorry when you make a mistake, right? Did you two want to play with the car?
Yeah!